where feathers softly tick. Let's a tale of chicken chicks, oh so green, with wings of hope. 1. Bold and bright, greets the dawn with pure delight, with courage in its tiny beak. 2. 2 chicks ants, a playful day, in the golden straw, did not care. 3. 3 little chicks, a family small, in their coop, they stand so tall. 4. 4 chicks now join the lovely scene, with feathers sleek and hearts so keen. Together they form a feathery crew in harmony. 5. 5 little chicks, their numbers grow, with every sunrise they start to glow. 6. 6 chicks, the chorus of chirping delight, their songs fill the day and the quiet night in their unity. 7, 8, 9. 7.